Okay, guys, hello, grade 6E. Today, inshallah, we'll continue in lesson 2, surface area of rectangular prisms. And we are on page 499. 499. Now, let's remember what we took in the previous lesson, guys. In the previous class, what we took, guys? We took a rectangular prism with length, width, and height. We can find the surface, and I mean by the surface area, the area of all of the rectangles of all of the faces in this solid figure. And here we have 6 faces. We have the floor, the roof, the 2 sides to the left and right, and the 2 sides to in front and in the behind one. And we know that the area, the surface area, was the formula. Don't forget the formula. It is 2 multiply length multiply width plus 2 multiply length multiply height plus 2 multiply width multiply height. This was the formula of finding of the surface area. Don't forget the formula of the volume, which is length by width by height only. Now we did example 1 check. Let's do example 2 now in page 499. So we are in example 2, page 499. Example 2, guys, page 499. You can read. يلا يا أحمد. أحمد ناجد.
Yes, mister.
يلا. Do you see the example?
Yes.
Okay, guys, let's see the example together. Example 2, page 499. Read.
Example 2. John is covering the face of the gift box, shown with the wrapping paper.
With wrapping paper.
Use
Wrapping.
Wrapping paper.
Your voice is lagging يا ابني. Try to read higher. يلا.
Paper.
Mr. Ahmed, your internet connection, I think.
Mr. Your voice is lagging too.
Your voice also, so. يلا. Try again. يلا. بسرعة. طيب, I'm sorry, Ahmed. Let me take Shukri, Yazid. I will take Yazid. Wait. معلش Shukri, wait. Yazid.
Hello, sir.
Yazid, do you hear me?
Yes.
Is my voice clear?
Yeah.
Good. Read example 2, Yazid.
John is covering the faces of the gift box shown with wrapping paper. Use
Good.
the net to determine the minimum amount of wrapping paper he will need to cover the box.
Now, to cover the box, guys, we need to cover the all 6 faces. Means we need to know the area of these faces, right? Now,
Yeah.
what is the length, ya Yazid, here? The length here is what?
8.
No, the length is 10 centimeter, okay? يلا ركز معي. The length is 10, right?
Yeah.
The width, how much the width?
The width is 6.
And the height?
8.
8. So we have the length, again, the length how much?
10.
10 centimeter. And the width how much?
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. And the height how much?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. Good. Now we need to find the surface area of this rectangular prism to know the amount of paper which we need to cover all the faces, right?
Right.
Yeah. Do you know the formula of the surface area? Hello? Yazid,
Hello, Mr.
talk with me, Ibni, talk with me. Do you know the formula of the surface area? Yabni, do you know or you don't know?
No, I don't.
This is the formula, Yabni. See it? Read it.
Two
Did you
multiply
attend the previous class, Yazid? Did you attend the previous class?
No, it wasn't letting me in.
Yeah. The surface area, Yazid, is, this is the formula, okay? 2 multiply length multiply width plus 2 multiply length multiply height plus 2 multiply width multiply height. Got it?
Yeah,
Now you need to watch the video, Yazid, because if you didn't attend the previous class, you need to watch the video of the previous class, right?
right.
Yeah. Now this is the formula. We will write it here. So it is 2 multiply length multiply width plus 2 multiply length multiply height plus 2 multiply width multiply height. Right, Yazid?
Right.
Yeah. What we will do now? Tell me. I wrote the formula for you. What we will do?
We will change the variables to the
Yeah.
number.
Yeah. What I will do here? Tell me.
2 multiply
2 multiply length. How much?
10.
10. Multiply width. How much?
6.
6. Plus comes down. We follow the formula, guys, always. 2 comes down. Multiply the length again. How much?
10.
10. Multiply the height. How much?
8.
8 plus 2 multiply width. How much?
6.
Multiply height. How much?
8.
8. Equal under equal. Now we calculate these numbers in order of operations, guys. We multiply first, then we add, right? Yeah, Yazid?
Right.
Yeah. 2 multiply 10, how much?
20.
20 times 6,
160. 20.
20 plus 2 times 10,
20.
20. Multiply 8
160.
plus 2 times 6, 12. Multiply 8, 96, right?
Right.
Now we add them. We add these numbers. Here we have 280 plus 96, 280 plus 96. This is 6713. 376.
76.
And the unit is the same unit, centimeter, but power 2 squared. Why power 2? Because we are calculating area here, okay?
Yeah.
So how much, guys, paper we need? We need 376 squared centimeter of paper to cover this box in the example. Do you understand, Yazid?
Yes.
Good boy. This is example. Yazid, you need to watch the video of the previous class, okay? It's important. This is example 2, guys, page 499. Now let's see the book, guys. The book, how the book did the question. The book make the net and calculate each face and then added all the faces here, take a long steps until he get the final answer, which is how much? The same of our answer, 376 square centimeters, okay? Now let's do the check after this example, guys. We have checked. Let's do it together. Let's do the check, guys. Check. Page 500. Check page 500. Yalla, I want new students, guys. Where are you down? Where are you? Kitab, Adnan. عمار أبي سليمان. Where are you عدنان؟ يلا يا عدنان. Hello. توك يا ابني توك. مش معقول.
Yes, hi, Mr.
يلا يا ابني ريد. شكرا.
يلا. Okay. A moving crate that is shaped like a rectangular prism with the dimensions shown to be painted.
Use continue شكري.
Use the net to determine the area that is to be painted.
Good. Now here, guys, they make the rectangular prism as net, and they want us to find the area, okay, the surface area. But we will not make it the net. Let's do it by our formula, okay, Mr. Now, what's the length here, yeah?
Yes, Mr.
Mr. Shukri, what's the length?
Yes, Mr. The length is 3 meter.
And the width?
2.4 meter.
And the height?
2 meter.
Yeah. So here, guys, we have the length. The length, how much? Again?
Yes. The length is 3 meter.
3 meter. And the width, how much?
2.4 meter.
2.4 meter. And the height, how much?
2 meter.
2 meter. Now we need to find the area. The question or the book, guys, take this rectangular prism and make it as net. And then he will find, or it will find, he wants us, or the book wants us to find the surface area by finding the area of each figure in the net. But using this formula, guys, we can find it using the similar way here and to get the surface area directly. So we'll start with the formula, Mr. Shukri. What is the formula?
SA equal to multiply length multiply width.
أيوة.
Plus 2 multiply length multiply height.
2 multiply length multiply height plus
2 multiply width multiply height.
2 multiply width multiply height. This is the formula: 2 by length by width, 2 by length by height, 2 by width by height. And in the previous lesson, guys, we said why we put 2 here. Remember, we said we put 2 because each face in the rectangular prism has another face congruent with it, like the floor here, which is length by width, same of the roof, which is length by width. That's why we put 2. Remember, we said that in the previous lesson. Now, if you don't understand the formula, guys, go and watch the video of the previous lesson. We talked about why we put 2's here and from where we get this formula, okay? Now, let's apply the formula, Mr. Shukri. What we will do here?
Okay. First 2 multiply.
2 multiply.
The length is 3 meter.
So 3 multiply.
Multiply 2 because of height. No.
حبيبي
I mean the
ركز
width.
ركز يا شكري. لا تخلينا نرفز. يلا. Again. 2 comes down. Length comes down. What's now?
The width.
يلا. How much?
2.4.
احكي بسرعة يا ابني.
2.4.
أيوة. Plus. Then.
Plus 2 multiply. Length 3.
يا زلمة تحكيش length. How much the length?
3.
احكي 3. يلا. Multiply. Then.
Yes, multiply 2.
2, which is the height. ممتاز. Plus. Then.
Plus 2 multiply 2.4
Mumtaz. The width, 2 multiply 2.4. Multiply. Last thing,
Multiply 2.
the height,
Plus.
which is 2.
Yeah.
It's easy, guys. Just memorize the formula very well and put each number or replace each variable by its number. It's easy. Don't forget the
Yes.
twos, don't forget the plus, the multiply, خلاص. It's easy. I mean, it's not that difficult thing, okay? Now, what we'll do now to find the answer, guys, it's order of operation. Remember, multiply first, then add.
Then
Let's
add.
multiply the 3 sections here. يلا يا ابني, 2 by 3, how much?
6.
6. Multiply 2.4, I don't know, right? So we multiply 6
No,
by
Mister,
20.
I know it. It is 14.4. I أحسب it.
You calculated it, right?
Yes. Yes.
Let's check. 6 by 4, 24. 6 by 2, 12 with 2, 14. It's 144, right? But we have decimal. Where we will put it?
Between the 4 and the 4.
Exactly. We put it here. Don't forget the decimal, guys.
Yes.
So it's 14.4, the first section. The second one, here, what we have?
We have 2 multiply 3 multiply 2, which is
Bar.
equal 12.
12. 2 by 3, 6 by 2, 12. Plus the third section here.
2
2 by
multiply
2, multiply the numbers first, then the decimal. 2 multiply 2, how much?
4.
4 multiply 24, we multiply 4 by 24, 16, 9. 96, but we have decimal, so we put it
9.6.
exactly. Now 14.4 plus 12 plus 9.6, right?
Yes.
We will add them. 14.4 plus 12, how much? It's 26.4
26.4.
plus
Yes.
the 9.6 comes down here, guys. Don't forget that. The
Yes, I know
9,
it.
remember?
Yeah.
Remember, guys, the addition of decimal, we put decimal over decimal, remember?
Yeah.
Then we distribute the numbers. Here 9 and here 6. If you put
36.
like this is wrong. You cannot add this. Yeah. Now we add normally 4 plus 6, 10. Decimal comes down, 1 by hand, 16.
36.
It is 36 exactly. 36 decimal 0. It is 36. So here
Yeah.
equal 36 what? Meter
Meter to the power of 2.
2 because we are finding area.
Surface area.
This is the check, guys, page 500. Copy it, please.
Thank you.
Copy, please. Welcome. Copy, guys. Copy the check, page 500, please. Copy, copy. Copy the steps, not only the final answer. How we get it. Copy the formula. Copy the numbers here. Then the multiplications, the products. Then you add. Copy the steps. You have 3 steps. Formula, replacing, calculating. Formula, replacing, calculating. 3 steps. Okay, this is the check, page 500. Now with this check, guys, we finished the lesson. In this lesson, we learned how to find the surface area of rectangular prism using the formula which I gave it to you. In the previous lesson, we took how to find the volume, okay? How to find the volume. Now, Okay, let's see the homework, guys. Let's see the homework, page 503. See it? Take a look to the homework, please. Okay. Now, in the first question, they want us to draw and put the make the net. Remember, we said we have net. We can make net from the rectangular prism in the previous class. Now, let's make the net together, okay? In this question, guys, you have 6 faces, and you will try to get each face alone and graph it here like this way, and to put the numbers, okay? This is not important very well to find the net. I want you to find the surface area of it. Here, if you read the question, they want us also to find the surface area, the cardboard, which is envelop all of this rectangular prism. In the last question here, guys, also we need to find the surface area of this rectangular prism here, okay? So the question 1, question 2, question 3, find the surface area of each one of them, okay? This is your lesson. Now, before I finish, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me. And by the way, tomorrow, inshallah, you will have online assignment, okay? Tomorrow, inshallah, لا تنسى, tomorrow, Thursday, from 2 p.m. on Thursday until 11 p.m. on Saturday. Don't forget that, tomorrow, okay? Any questions, guys? If you have any questions, you can ask me. Hussein.
Yes, Mr. Mr.
Hello.
The home. Yes, you hear me?
Talk يا ابني, talk, الله يسعدك, احكي.
Tomorrow what online assignment?
What?
What is the online assignment يعني?
Yani you have homework at the computer in your classera. You didn't know the online assignment?
I know it.
Tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Yeah.
you have online assignment.
Okay, thank you.
Is there any problem?
Nope.
So tomorrow, solve it.
Okay.
Ahmed Najid, yes, ya Ahmed.
Mr.
Hamza.
I want to answer, but the internet was disconnected.
It's okay. The most important, do you understand? This is the important thing here. Good. مش
Yes,
مشكلة.
Mr.
المرة الجاية إن شاء الله بيكون النت قوي وبتجاوب معي. Okay?
Okay.
It's okay. طيب مين كمان؟ Yes يا حمزة.
Yes, I didn't hear you very well because I don't know what happened. I didn't hear you. The alarm time to finish at 11 p.m. Which day?
Saturday.
Saturday?
During the weekend, يا ابني. This is not our first online assignment, right?
Yes.
We did it a lot, always from 2 p.m. Thursday until 11 p.m. Saturday. You have the whole weekend to do it.
Okay,
is there any problem?
No, thank you.
It will be about the 2 lessons, guys, the volume and the surface area. Okay, yani the online assignment will be around the 2 lessons, about the 2 lessons which we taught. The volume in the previous lesson, we took it by details, and this lesson, how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. So study these 2 lessons quickly, 2 easy lessons. Then you can answer the online assignment and get full mark. It's easy one. Else, guys, any questions? Any questions? Good. Thank you so much. Inshallah, we will meet again in Sunday. Goodbye.
Bye.